Stopping violence before it begins. That is Public Health Madison-Dane County's goal after announcing just over $1 million will be awarded to local groups working to make Dane County safer. As Brad Hamilton explains, this is part of their roadmap to reducing violence and improving safety in our community. Brad?
Eric, PHMDC is asking local groups who dedicate their time to the community outreach to apply for this grant, with the goal being simple: to find a way to make our homes safer.
Lindsey Buscher has spent years working to prevent violence within the Madison community, and she says that none have been more challenging than the past two.
Gun violence, especially in Madison over the past two and a half years, just during the pandemic, has been exacerbated.
Which is why Buscher, who is a member of Moms Demand Action, has spent her time hoping to convince public health to invest resources into preventing violence.
Just to be able to employ well-trained people, like pay these people real money to learn how to interact with victims and people before they become a suspect.
Today, Buscher's call for help was finally answered.
We're excited to have the organizations in Madison and Dane County help public health to make our communities safer.
As PHMDC announced that they will be awarding $1 million over the next 2 years to programs within the community that work to stop violence before it happens.
In one neighborhood, it might be access to childcare. Another community, it might be increased access to education or mental health services. So depending on the types of organizations that serve different communities, they will tell us what the communities need, and the communities will also tell us what they need.
Buscher hopes that this program will make an immediate impact, specifically pointing to a record high level of homicides in both 2020 and 2021 as something that needs to change as soon as possible. But tonight, she's going to take some time to reflect on all of that hard work paying off.
When you work on something, anything, and then just to finally see the news, like it's happening, it's such a relief.
The money being granted is paid for by the American Rescue Plan Act and will be given out over the next 2 years, Eric.